So I'm in a 2014 BMW X1 and today I'm going to show you to add coolant. So first you'll open your hood and then go to the passenger side here. You should see this reservoir here. This would be the main spot your add coolant to is needed. And potentially you could to the radiator directly, but if everything's working properly, just straight into here. You want to make sure the engine's cool and the motor's off before you do anything with this system, since it's all pressurized and this gets to a boil, so you don't want this poisonous liquid to shoot out at you. But that said, you just push and open. Alright, it's almost open now. So from here, with the funnel or just straight from your can, your jug, you could add in here. You know, match up the color and ideally the brand as well of coolant. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. But you fill this up to the recommended level. You always want some air gaps. You don't want it all the way full. But when you're done, just stick this back on, screw it all the way on nice and tight. That way it stays under pressure and nothing falls in here. And then you can go through, check around the engine, make sure there's no coolant puddles, follow the lines, make sure there's no cracks or anything loose. Same with the radiator, you can go through as best as you can, look for any cracks. One way to help test that system is while the vehicle's on, check underneath the vehicle as well for any puddles. Sometimes water condensation can form under, but you can tell the coolant because it should have a slight coloration to it. And say you have like a glove or something on, don't want to touch it with your skin if you can help it. But you can feel the coolant if it's slightly more slick. It'll slightly more slick feel than water would. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.